Hi, in this video I will show you how to make this text behind object effect on Adobe Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and choose the video clip that you want to put this effect on. In my case, I will be using this Taj Mahal video clip. By the way, ensure you have Adobe Creative Cloud installed. If you haven't got it yet, click the link in the description to download and start your free trial today. Okay, so first you have to duplicate this clip and place the duplicated clip on the top of the original clip, leaving 2 or 3 rows empty on your timeline. To do this, just press Alt or Option on Mac on your keyboard and drag the original clip on the top. This will create a duplicate. Now create a text. To do this, just select the T button from your toolbar and click on the preview screen. Let's type the Taj Mahal. Once done, let's select the text and change our font to something thick. I am choosing the font Impact here, as it is pretty thick. Now scale the font to your desired size and position it on your screen. Okay, I've scaled both the clips by a little bit so that the text looks good. Again, you don't have to do it, and it is not a part of the tutorial. Now what we are going to do is changing the blending mode of the text. You can keep it white as well, but I am changing the blending mode to overlay. As you can see now, the text looks much better and fully blends in with the background. Now our job is to put this text behind this Taj Mahal. To do this, we have to select the clip on the top, yes, the duplicated one, and then go to Effect Controls. From here, click on the opacity option and select the pen option on the side to create a mask. Now draw a mask by selecting the Taj Mahal. Now take your time and create this mask. As the better the mask is, the better the text effect is going to look. I am fast forwarding this entire process to save time, but it took me a good amount of time to fine-tune the entire mask. As you can see, I have zoomed the screen 200% to make sure I am making the mask accurately. Once the mask is done, you can see the text on the background, but make sure the text layer is at the middle of both these clips. Now if I move the text, it goes up and down on the background behind the main subject, which is the Taj Mahal. Now what we are going to do is we are going to track this mask. To do that, just click the play button on the side where it says Mask Path. Now it will take some time depending on your computer's hardware, but it will fully track the mask with the moving object. Now once the tracking is done, it will look something like this, but it looks very blunt. To make this spicy, let's add an effect to our text. To do this, we have to first select the text layer and go to the Effect Controls and then click on Opacity and click on the pen icon on the side to create a mask. Now let's draw a shape like this. And then click on the clock button on the side where it says Mask Path to create a keyframe. Now play the video for a while and then go back to Effect Controls and click on the mask and extend the mask until the entire text is visible. Then play with the mask feather and see what looks the best, but increasing and decreasing the feather, and you will get such an effect. And yeah, that is how you put text behind a subject in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.